Stop scrolling right now. Your PlayStation 5 has hidden menus that 90% users never touch. These secret options can boost performance, save battery, improve downloads, and unlock features Sony never explains properly. In the next few minutes, I will show you real, tested, 100% workable PS5 hidden menu tips. Let us start. First hidden tip is Safe Mode Advanced Options. Turn off your PS5 completely. Press and hold the power button until you hear two beeps. Connect your controller using USB cable. Press PlayStation button. Now you are inside safe mode. Here you can rebuild database, clear cache, update system software, and fix crashing issues. Rebuild database improves speed without deleting games. Clear cache helps when downloads fail or system feels laggy. Second hidden tip is console power control timing. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. Set media playback to never. Set games to 1 hour or longer. This prevents sudden shutdown during downloads or updates. Third hidden tip is hidden internet frequency control. Go to settings, then go to network, then go to settings, then set up internet connection, then set up manually, then Wi-Fi, then advanced settings. Here you can manually select 5 GHz instead of automatic. 5 GHz gives faster speed and lower ping compared to 2.4 GHz. This is extremely useful for online gaming and fast downloads. Fourth hidden tip is game performance priority mode. Go to settings, then go to save data and game app settings, then game presets. Set performance mode instead of resolution mode. This forces supported games to run at higher frame rate automatically. Fifth hidden tip is controller hidden calibration. Go to settings, then go to accessories, then controllers, then wireless controller device software. Update controller firmware regularly. This fixes stick drift issues and improves input response. Sixth hidden tip is PS5 storage speed optimization. Go to settings, then go to storage, then console storage, then clear cache. This does not delete games. This refreshes system memory and improves loading times. Seventh hidden tip is download speed boost trick. While downloading, press options button on the download and pause it for 5 seconds. Resume download again. Many users report stable speed increase after doing this. Final hidden tip is activity card shortcuts. From home screen, scroll down on a game tile. Use activity cards to jump directly into missions. This saves time and reduces loading screens. If this helped you, this is Tech Vibes. Subscribe for more real tech secrets.